Hello guys, it's Scarlett from Acer. Today we came to Hunan Kaienli Hydraulic Machinery Manufacturing Company. This company was founded in 2011. The factory located in Hengdian Industrial Park, Liling Economic Development District in Zhuzhou City, Hunan Province. It covers a production area of 21,000 square meters, specialized in hydraulic parts development, manufacturing and sales, such as threaded cartridge valve, solenoid valve, balance valve, oil resource valve group, hydraulic lock valve, valves manifolds, and various functional valve block, and so on. After over 10 years of development, Kaienli has achieved great progress. We own more than 20 national intellectual property rights and become the national top 100 high-tech enterprises of construction machinery parts. We support OEM and ODM projects. Welcome your visit anytime and expect our cooperation.
Acer.com. Make global trade easier.